Hello, hello. Watch me transform this day makeup look into a lovely night makeup look. So, I had a gala to go to that evening, but I ran a little over with my client and I didn't have time to redo my entire face like I originally planned, which was going to take about 2.5 hours. But, I wanted to be on time for once. So I decided to just go with a nice neutral shimmer look. So I went in and took off my lashes, started doing my eyeshadow. Then I went in with the wing liner because I feel like it'll be nice for this look. And then after that, I started doing my setting powder under my under eye just to reset that area. I do like my under eyes bright, so therefore I do go with a lighter setting powder. And also, of course, we had to recontour. So I contoured all around my area of my face. Definitely had to snatch the nose, had to put it on Michael Jackson style. And then added the blush, added the butterfly lashes that are bigger than my eyeballs, as you can see. And I love mascara under my under eye. And then I added a little bit of shimmer, just, to get that little hints of glow on the face. And for my lips, I wanted my lips to pop. So I went in with some concealer to conceal my lips, had to blend it out a little bit. And then after that, I added some setting powder to that to set the lips. And then I added the red lipstick on top of that so the brightness of the red can really stand out. And then after that, we just, little setting spray, finishing spray, and then we're good to go. This is the finished look. Gorgeous as always. And here is everything all together. Yes.